Today I'm going to show you how to make black pudding sausage rolls. You will need 300 grams of sausages or sausage meat, 150 grams of black pudding, 500 grams of puff pastry and 1 egg. You'll also need some plain flour. Firstly, in a bowl, add your sausages. If you are using sausages, make sure you de-skin them first. And then your black pudding, having crumbled it and broken it down a bit. Then simply mix the two together until it's really well combined. Then, having pre-floured your work surface, you want to roll out your puff pastry. You want it to be a long rectangle. So I've just cut my rectangle in half, which will make 2 long sausage rolls, which we'll then cut down. Then simply put your meat mixture into the middle. Make sure that you leave enough space either side of the meat mixture that you can fold the pastry over afterwards. Then, having pre-beaten your egg, you just want to egg wash one side of each of your rectangles. And then fold the puff pastry over, pressing down the edge to make sure it's sealed. Then, using a fork, just press that down along the sides of each of the sausage roll tubes. This will not only make it look nice, but it'll also make a nice seal to it as well. Then simply chop your sausage rolls into the sizes that you want. So I've done small bite-sized pieces, but if you wanted to have them slightly longer, then you can have them as long as you like. Then pop these on a pre-lined baking tray. And with the remaining egg, just egg wash the top of each of your sausage rolls. Then pop them in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 35 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make black pudding sausage rolls.